In the 90s, Al-Shabaab group attached to Al-Qaeda terrorized Somalia, conducting numerous and untimely attacks that left many lives lost and property damaged. The terror group still claims responsibility for similar attacks on the Somaliland. The uncertainties of these insecurities prompted the United Nations to start avenues to restore peace in the then war-dilapidated Somalia, and in 2007 AMISOM, which rebranded to the African Transition Mission in Somalia ATMIS, a joint military force that has worked to ensure internal conflicts to restore political stability, was formed. Different African nations have contributed to this restoration process, and Uganda, Kenya to mention but a few have been part of the troops and police officers in this struggle. The head of Somalia's Transportation Department, Colonel Abdullah Said Awelle, lauded ATMIS for its advancements in technology that has improved their data management systems and authentic service delivery among nationals.
Uganda waxay u imaan jireen amaan wax badan bay nala shaqeeyeen meeshaan aad arkaysa xataa baarlamaanka ku shir jiray goobta marka muddo dheer oo ilaa macnaha ciidanka booliiska oo AMISOM ay yoogaan ammaanka nagala qayb qaadan jireen dhowr jeer waliba mar aan ahayn oo laba ahayn dhulkadaas oo dhan ayaga deganaan jiray oo waa wada shaqayn jiray oo habeenkii roonda xataa loo soo diri jiray dhulkaan oo dhan roonda ka qaban jireen ammaanka nala sugi jiray marka waan ku mahadsanyahay shaqadaas oo maartay waqtiga ugu adkayd waliba nala hawlgeli jiray oo hogaankii ayagu wada kaashigaas ay lahaayeen.
And we are hoping that this system will facilitate for us something that we are in need of, and instead will really use as storage. I mean that we need to wear police documentations, be saved or be restored. Right? We believe that this system will do something good for us.
The automated asset management services system had been interrupted, and by press time, ATMIS expert, also the Assistant Inspector of Police Alex Kevi, had hands on it. Kevi, however, said the inconsistent power supply affected the automated system.
Being connected with all kinds of things of transport, they have to insert in data. We had to rectify it, we had to update because the system was using the source codes of long time ago. That's 2020, because the world is running on a very high speed. The innovation is high. First was to make sure that they keep their properties when they're okay, with the integrity, not someone coming and start bringing that this one was taken by someone.
Somali citizens implored the services offered by the United Nations, African Union and ATMIS for the trainings that have empowered them.
Has trained some staffs to those who will work in this system, and now they are available. They are ready to use this system and to perform the job that this system was attended.
Officers from the African contributing nations to Somali police pledged total support to Somalia's peace restoration and development.
Mandate as ATMIS police component is to capacitate. We capacitate them. We give them. We improve their capacity to reach the international level, as pertains every aspect of police work.
I'm Ivan Juko for UBC in Mogadishu.